Dog and Mouse Company. Hi friends! Today we're learning all about water. Let's see what we can do with water. We can wash our hands with water. It keeps us clean and healthy. We use water to rinse when we brush our teeth. Swish, swish, all clean. Water is perfect for a nice warm bath. Splash, splash. We drink water to stay strong and healthy. Yum, so refreshing. We use water to help plants grow big and strong. Water is so important. What's your favorite thing to do with water? Thanks for learning with us today. See you next time. Bye-bye.